What's happening? Thank you. Helping us unload everybody. Here they are, the dumbbells. They've made it from the UK, Watson Strength, right here to our door. So biggest thing is this is the most expensive thing I've ever bought with cash in my life. So you guys, they're for you, but they're mine. They're my dumbbells, but they're also your dumbbells, but they're mine for you as well. But anyway, I'm just playing. You guys, I want you to come experience these things, feel unbelievable. And I am super proud and happy for everybody, all of the members, everyone in the community, you know, everyone that we work together with, Miguel, you know, Victor, Chris is at Basic, Melanie, of course, running the show here. We got D-Ron, everybody working so hard, all of our members, trainers, all the support. Got Billy back here in the behind the scenes. And I want to appreciate you guys. We've been doing well, making money, and I put it right back into this gym. And I do it for you guys because that's why we're here. You know what I mean? So let's fucking kill it, all right? I appreciate all y'all. Yeah, woo! These things are awesome. Oh, all right, I'll see you motherfuckers at the 200s. Let's go.